How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. My name is Amna Naz and today I am here to teach you subject English. So today we will learn the first letter A. A. You know what is the sound of letter A? The sound of letter A is A. A. क्या है इसका sound? Letter A का sound है A. A. Okay. Now we will learn the sound of this letter through jolly phonics. Okay, sing with me. A. Ants on my arms. A. Ants on my arms. A. Ants on my arms. They causing me alarm. A. So you have to do the action with me and also sing the phonic with me. A. Ants on my arms. A. Ants on my arms. A. Ants on my arms. They are causing me alarm. A. So when you say the sound of A, you have to stretch your mouth. A. Okay. What is the sound of A? The sound of A is A. Now we will learn the vocabulary of letter A. A. Aeroplane. आपने इस तरीके से रीडिंग करनी है. A. Aeroplane. A. Apple. A. Apple. First of all letter, then उसका sound and then उससे related जो भी picture है आपने उसका name pronounce करना है. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Ant. A. Apricot. A. Apricot. A. Apricot. This is how you will read all the pictures related to this letter A. Now we will move towards our book and there are more pictures related to this letter. We will read here together. Okay students, open your book of English and page number 3. Letter A. A. आज हम क्या सीख रहे हैं? लेटर ए. कौन सा लेटर है? अपर केस लेटर ए एंड दिस इज लोअर केस लेटर ए. ये कैपिटल लेटर ए है और इसको स्मॉल लेटर ए कहते हैं और दोनों का साउंड सेम है. ए and there are some pictures related this letter. We will learn it. A aeroplane. A aeroplane. Next is A apricot. A apricot. A apple. A apple. A ant. A ant. Okay. Now there is a very interesting poem related to this letter. Let's learn the poem with me. I eat an apple. I eat an apple and takes a bite. Apricots are sweet, aeroplane is in the sight. Again, I eat an apple and takes a bite. Apricots are sweet, aeroplane is in the sight. Okay, this is how you will read the page and you will read the letter A regarding the picture of letter A. And this is how you will learn the vocabulary of letter A with the sounds. Okay, my dear students. After the reading of letter A, now we are going to do the writing practice of capital and small letter. As we have learned the letter A, now we are going to do the practice of letter A. So let's move towards our writing practice. Okay students, now we are going to do the writing practice of letter A. This is capital A and this one is small a. The sound of both A is same, A, but this one is capital A and this one is small a. First of all, we will do the tracing of letter A. जब हम capital letter A लिखते हैं, we use the 3 lines, 2 slant lines and 1 slipping line. Start from this dot, make up 1 slant line like this, another slant line and small slipping line. This is how you will trace letter A. Again, trace it with me. Yes, like this. Read it with the sound A. What is the sound of A? A. A. And we are tracing capital letter. A. We are tracing capital letter. Now, I trace the one line. You do it by yourself. Now, we will write the letter A independently. Start from this dot. Your pencil head should be sharp. By joining these two dots, we will make a slant line, another slant line, and a small slipping line. This is how you will write letter A. 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 Again, one slant line, another slant line, and a small slipping line. This is capital letter. And the sound of this letter is A. Repeat it with me. A. And this is how you will write letter A. Letter A. This line you will do it by yourself. And now we are going to trace the small letter A. For tracing the small letter, we will use a semicircle, standing line, and a curve. For tracing the small letter A, we will use the semicircle, standing line, and a curve. And the sound is same. A. Make a curve, make a semicircle, standing line, and small curve. This is how you will write small letter A. Now, we are going to write small letter A, and it is between the two lines. First of all, you make a semicircle like this. Make a standing line and a curve. Again, make a semicircle, make a standing line and a small curve. Again, do the practice with me. Semicircle, standing line and a curve. What are you writing? You are writing small a. Semicircle, standing line and a curve. This is how you will write small letter A, and the sound of letter A is A. Capital letter and the small letter. इन दोनों का जो साउंड है वो दोनों का सेम है. जो कैपिटल लेटर है वो हम 3 लाइन्स में लिखते हैं और स्मॉल लेटर्स को हम 2 लाइन में लिखेंगे. एंड द साउंड ऑफ लेटर ए इज सेम. ए. Okay students, now after writing and tracing the letter A, we'll do the coloring in the picture of aeroplane. Make a boundary line just like this. First of all, you will make a boundary line and then you will do the coloring. You can use different colors or you can use one color also. It's totally up to you. Here I am using only one color in the aeroplane. If you want to make it more beautiful and attractive, you can use different colors. And this is how you will fill the picture. And make sure you have to color the pictures. Just like this. You have to finish the coloring. And make sure your color should be in the picture. Don't go outside of the picture. And this is how you will complete the picture. Okay, I hope you got it and you enjoy the lecture.